Hello and welcome. Today we will be discussing how to solve complex graphic simultaneous equations. Firstly, we will have a look at how to do a question like this. Plot the graphs of x plus y equals 7 and 5x plus 2y equals 20. Find the solution to the simultaneous equations x plus y equals 7 and 5x plus 2y equals 20. So for the first equation, we have x plus y equals 7. So what you're going to want to do with this information is put it in a table like this. So your x coordinate, you will substitute a certain coordinate, for example, 1. So then you can know if x is 1, what will y be? And as you can see, I've done it here. So I put x into the equation. And then you can just solve the equation by subtracting 1 from the other side. Or you could just work it out in your head. So it's like 7 minus 1, which is just 6. Then I did the same for 2, which I got 5. And for 3, I got 4. You don't necessarily need all the values to fill in the graph properly. So I just took 3 of the values and then drew a line. But whatever works for you and whatever gives you clarity, since the equations get a bit more complex, such as this one. But we'll work that one out too. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same for this equation. So in the end, I got this table of values for my x and y. And the way I got this is by substituting in 2's. And this is because 2 is a nice factor that goes into 20, so then I won't have to struggle with a factor like 1 because it will give me non-integer values. So as you can see, I did 0, which would just give you y equals 10, because 2 times 10 equals 20. And this one, where I substitute 2 into the 5x, which would give me 5y equals 5, because that just gives me 10x, and then divide that by 2, it's 5. And then finally over here I did the same, which would give me 0, because it would just be 20 and 2y would just have to be 0. Then you plot the points on your graph, and for me I got this. So it says find the solution to the simultaneous equations. And for this, you don't actually need to solve the simultaneous equation. You just need to know where the points are crossing. So right now, you can see that the points are crossing at x equals 2 and y equals 5. So that's the solution to your simultaneous equations. However, in this video, we're also going to look at how to do more complex problems, such as this. Plot the graphs of x plus y equals 8, y equals x, y equals 1/2 x plus 5, and x plus y equals 11. Use the graphs to find the solutions of the simultaneous equations. And then you have simultaneous equations listed down here. Now that you know how to plot these equations graphically, you need to find the solutions to the equations that are listed. So ignore how messy my graph is since I got this part wrong. But for the first one, it says find the solution to the equations x plus y equals 8 and x equals y. So you have to find the graphs x plus y equals 8 and x equals y, and then find the point that they intercept. So that would be 4, 4, which would give you x equals 4 and y equals 4. Now it's asking us to do the same with x plus y equals 8 and y equals 1/2 x plus 5. So you can't really read my graphs very clearly, but this is y equals 1/2 x plus 5, and this is x plus y equals 8. So then you need to find the point that they intercept at, which is this point, and this point is 2, 6. So this means x equals 2 and y equals 6. So it's asking for these two lines. So that means this line, which is, so that means it's asking for these two lines. And where they intercept is 5.5 and 5.5. Since you can see it's half a square. So that means x equals 5.5 and y equals 5.5. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in the next video.